Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2016 Ford Ranger XLT. Now, as you can see in that silver, it does look absolutely stunning, and let me tell you, condition wise it does present really well as well. So I'm going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. On the front end, these Rangers do get a big bold front end. Headlights make it look quite aggressive, and that chrome front grille just ties in very nicely with the whole silver paintwork. In terms of condition on the front, that chrome grille is in good condition. There are a couple of very slight stone chip touch-ups which we have done for you on the front end there, but overall it does actually present in really good condition for a vehicle setup this well. Coming along the side here, taking a look at that first alloy wheel, really good condition on that wheel. It does add a lot contrasting with the silver paintwork, and those tires still have plenty of tread left in them. You've got the chrome side mirrors, door handles, and the grille in the side here, which is a non-functional vent, but it does add a bit of personality to that quarter panel. You've got the aftermarket weather shield fitted to the Ranger. You've also got the side step down the bottom just to help you get in and out. Condition wise on these doors, beautiful condition. I can't actually fault them, even if I am trying to be as picky as I usually am. On the inside of this vehicle, the seat bolsters have really good firmness to them, so they are in really good condition considering it is a used vehicle. The scuff plates and door trims, where you often see quite a lot of damage, is actually in surprisingly good condition, and where people tend to get lazy and kick those doors open, there's minimal wear along that door as well. Making our way along to the back now, on that canopy you have got an ARB, I believe this is an Ascent Canopy, yep, ARB Ascent Canopy, so the best canopy ARB offers. So pop-up windows on either side, and the release for that is just on the back side of the canopy just there. So you press that and it does let you pop your windows up. Now on the back wheel, once again, beautiful condition there. The wheels are unmarked and plenty of tread left in the tire as well. On the back end now, we keep coming along. Pay attention to the paintwork as we pan around the vehicle, because this car is actually pretty much spot on. The back end has your central locking on the rear glass as well, which does pop up quite easily. Now on the tub, there is a couple of little scratches on the top there, but nothing really too concerning. That's where you usually see any damage on the tub. Now, on the back here, you have got the carpet fitted on top of that tub liner. You've also got your genuine Ranger mat in the back there, and a 12-volt socket in the back too. Now, one thing I will note about this, about the tailgate, is it is actually on gas strut, so makes it a nice, well, makes it easier to open and close. Closing that back up, you've got the tow bar fitted down the bottom, and color matched parking sensors on that rear bar. Now, along the passenger side of the vehicle, once again, condition does present beautifully. You've got the fuel filler cap on this side here, and that next wheel, once again, really good condition there, very, very well looked after. Now, we'll keep making our way along, and as I said, guys, pay attention to just how well this car presents, because I'm actually struggling to fault the paintwork around this vehicle. That next and final wheel, the one that is quite often parked next to the curb and cops the most amount of scratches, once again, really good condition and beautiful tread on those tires. So guys, as you can see, 4 really good condition wheels. Paintwork is absolutely spot on from front to back, and it is a very well set up Ranger. Now, something I would highly recommend is do ask us about our glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork and preserve such a beautiful vehicle for as long as you own it. What we're going to do now is pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. We're going to look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Now, the ANCAP safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars, which is always good to know in a ute, especially knowing that you are going to probably be doing some four-wheel driving or even taking it on the work site. Power output is 147 kilowatts with a torque rating of 470 Newton meters. The diesel fuel tank holds 80 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 8.7 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of about 920 kilometers from a full tank, depending on your driving style. Alright, taking a look inside the Ford Range now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. On the door itself is your central locking buttons. On the right hand side here, you've got the toggle for your headlights. So they are automatic. If you want to leave them in auto, the car will decide when it needs to use them. Next to that, you've got your illumination control and your fog light controls. On the right hand side here again, you've got the toggle for your power mirrors, and on the right hand stalk are your indicators, high beams, and your lane keeping. On the left hand stalk here, you've got your washer and wipers. The wipers are automatic again. You do get a very nice leather wrap steering wheel in the Ford Rangers with 2 sets of menu controls on either side. So each of those does actually control the digital displays on either side of your speedo. On the bottom here, you've got the distance control for your cruise control, as well as your cruise control and speed limit controls. On the left hand side, you've got all your media and hands-free controls. Moving on into the center display now, just going to pop it into reverse. So you do get a very nice reverse camera in this vehicle. You can zoom right into that tow bar if you did want to back up to anything, so it makes it very, very easy. Now, the Sync 2 system that does come in these Rangers is probably one of the best on the market because of the 4 quadrants you get. So you've got, let me just turn that aircon off so it's not making too much noise. You've got the phone quadrant on the top left, you've got maps on the top right, you've got media on the bottom left, and all your climate control on the bottom right. Now down the bottom, you've got all the hard buttons for your radio and dual zone climate control. You've also got 2 12-volt sockets, and just under here you've got your navigation SD card and 2 USB inputs. Up the top, you've got traction control, your rear diff lock and downhill descent control. Also got a 4-wheel drive selector just next to the shifter, and the shifter itself, you can drive it as a normal auto or bump it to the right and switch through the gears manually. You've got a hard handbrake, 2 cup holders, and behind that vinyl center console, which when you open it up, there is a coin thing there, if I can stop dropping that, plus a ventilated center console if you wanted to keep some drinks cool in the middle. Now, what I'm going to do is get the camera to pan around the interior, and I'll show you just how good the actual condition of the inside of this vehicle is. Dash and roof lining all present really well. Even the back seats and the actual condition of the whole inside has been preserved quite well by the previous owners. So kudos for being able to maintain a vehicle that is this well set up. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Ranger. As you can see, it has been very well looked after, and let me tell you, in this kind of condition, it is a very, very well set up and very well maintained Ranger. Something I would highly recommend is take advantage of the glass coat. With a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, why would you not want to protect your investment? You also get up to, well, unlimited claims with that glass coat over the course of your ownership, and it will protect you against many of Australia's harsh weather climates. The other thing I would highly recommend, being a work vehicle and being a workhorse, ask us about the premium mechanical protection plan. That will give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance and much more. It is awesome value, and if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options. They're also going to show you just how minimal the change in your repayments is going to be, with all those protective options packaged in there for you. Now, just before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews, because we are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It is proof that you are dealing with the right people. It is important to know who you're dealing with and know that you are buying a good vehicle from a reputable dealership. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us on 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.